So here you can see that I already have a screen recording with audio narration. If I were to play this around, you'll be gradually hearing that I speak from far away from the mic and then gradually go near the mic right here, which causes the change in volume. So let's just play around and hear out how it sounds like. Hello, so this is a test recording where I record from far away and I simply go up close onto the microphone just like that as the time goes by to show the compressor effect in Camtasia. So what happens is that now the volume level is way different compared to these ones. So what you can do is there's a simple effect that can fix these and bring the audio to these similar level. So in order to do that, you simply go on over here onto audio effect, and over here there's an effect called audio compression. So you can simply bring this in, and what that does is now you can see that the level of audio instantaneously just balanced out just like that. Now if I were to play the audio, the volume will seem much more equal. Hello, so this is a test recording where I record from far away and I simply go up close onto the microphone just like that as the time goes by to show. So what happens is that the audio compressor has increased out the volume which was lower in volume in the beginning, and then brought down the volume of the other one. You can still hear that the volume change is low here somewhere over here and high here. So what you can do is you can simply change that to high compression, and what it does is it brings out the other volume level as well. This recording where I record from. So you can hear that the audio volume is higher here. You can also go for a low range, but if you were to change it to much high level, what happens is that the audio starts flattening out. So you only do this only if you really have a high level of audio disbalance in your recording. You can also go to custom right here, and what you can do is you can change out the ratio. You can see that the ratio changes out the pitch. You can see that there's high like mountain ranges right here, which denotes the changes in pitch, and that is required if you want to have a natural tone and then don't have like a robotic voice. So you can just change this around according to what you want. You can change that around the threshold as well, so that's simply the volume, and you can change around the gain as well. So if you were to really increase out the ratio, you can see that this is how it works. Like everything flattens out just like that, and you can work around with it. So depending on the level of the difference in audio levels, you can change around the ratio manually just like that to make sure that all of it in the same level, and then increase out the threshold and the gain accordingly over here to balance out the audio just like that. And you can hear it out by playing it out again. Hello, so this is a test recording where I record from far away and I simply go up close onto the. So it is much more balanced compared to where we began with. Of course, it is not perfect, but it does balances out things. So this is an example which is usually not possible, because like you don't stay that far away from the mic and go that close, but it will eliminate any small differences in the distance between the mic and the speaker, and then make it sound natural as much as possible. And that is how you can use the audio compressor effect to balance out the audio levels inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.